A great community, one block at a time. What does that mean to you? Cowan and Lemon Heights are nestled into the rolling hills, subtle wildlife and treetops that sculpt your landscape. As you know, your neighborhood is one of the most beautiful places to live in Southern California. Maintaining such a cherished community is up to you. Please help us help you save your home and what you love about living in Cowan and Lemon Heights. The Orange County Fire Authority and our partnering agencies offer you an interactive website filled with informative benefits that help you prepare your home, family, and community from wildfires. Just as Cowan and Lemon Heights belong to you, this is your website. We offer a library of videos, literature, and interactive tools that can help you with everything from a simple landscape makeover to remodeling your home. We can even help you share your stories, successes, and community support through this website. We would like to thank those of you who are dedicated to the safety of your community while making it as beautiful as nature intended.